We launched the Avaya University Outreach Program a couple of years back. The key objective was to brand Avaya into our overall ecosystem. We have 4 initiatives under this program. So the first one being the Avaya Champs, and we have 9 of them from 4 different colleges in Pune. The second one is the launch of Avaya curriculum, for which we are here, and today we are launching it into the first college. The third one is the entire interns and the projects, again to ensure that we are able to enable learning at the various universities. And the fourth one is the overall professor sabbatical, which we plan to launch very shortly. Again, all aligned to the country's efforts in terms of digitalization, our own efforts to build the innovators of tomorrow, and stay in tune with our overall branding efforts. So absolutely fantastic efforts by the engineers at Avaya, and absolutely proud to have successfully launched this program out here. Thank you.
The students learn the computer networking concepts in the form of 2 courses. They learn the basics in their second year and little advanced in the form of the 7-layer model of the networking in the third year. When they heard the introductory session given by Avaya team about Unified Communication course, what they found was there is a smooth homogeneity within the networking concepts and the intelligence which is there in the contact centers involved. So they found artificial intelligence, networking, protocols and the programming languages, all of them they'll get the exposure for this course, and that's where they have chosen. Looking at the protocol keywords, looking at the intelligence in the contact centers, everything. They like the convergence which is there in the subject.
See, generally in our field we are teaching about the hardware part of communication, and the world is moving toward a unified center. So this will give them a huge opportunity in learning software part of the communication. Thus give them great opportunities in their career. Thank you.
Actually, Avaya is recruiting our students for last few years, and introduction of this new course is really going to give an edge for our coming students over the other students. And due to this course, what I feel is the industry and institute gap will be completed or fulfilled. Thank you.
First of all, I feel that this is a very advanced technology which is being introduced with the help of Avaya to our final year students. As this is going to be introduced through the experts coming from Avaya, they will get the knowledge of the latest trends in the field. So I feel that it's a great opportunity for the students to know from the experts. Definitely that will enhance their knowledge of the field, and that will increase the employability in the concerning industry also.
You have rightly pointed out the technology is moving fast, and especially in the communications and networks area, and we are very happy and excited to collaborate with Avaya, because they are known as industry leaders in communication. So basically with unified communication, say simple protocols as H.323, SIP, WebRTC, video voice analytics. These are some of the things which we would really love to hear from experts, and that too from Avaya. So I'm sure my students are going to benefit immensely out of it, and this is one of the major steps to bridge the gap between industry and the students and make my students more employable in this area. And we have the background of it, so students are coming from the right background. They will surely benefit out of it. And from Avaya perspective, it is very nice, instead of only saying that there is a gap between students, industries moving fast, they are there themselves contributing and designing a course for our students. So saying hundreds of things, instead of saying so many things, they are doing one thing which is very nice, and we are looking forward with Avaya for a long-term interaction henceforth. Thank you. Thank you.
So I think considering we are from IT, we have not really had like a background of ELTC as such. So it is really interesting, I guess, to know especially about the mobile technology, how it works, because we had no clue, and the to be introduced with all the ENTC terms and know how it works, because we were literally clueless about it considering we are from
But I like
software
the
background.
way how sir has explained it, like the way he made everything feel so natural, like calling somebody, then telling that this is going to happen after each step.
Yeah.
So once you realize that you have done this and this is what actually
At the
happens
back
at
end.
the back end.
Right.
So it makes you feel like, okay, now I can understand it way better.
Right.
So the practical approach, I liked it the way he was
It's not
explaining.
only electronics, it's also a lot of IT stuff which is in the later units which are covered, like recently cloud and analytics also are included. So it's not only focusing on ENTC but also IT and ENTC.
I think the best part is we'll get hands-on practical experience, which we would not get otherwise. With direct interaction with industry people, which is a new experience altogether, because we are going into the industry now, so it's going to make it easier. Like Matt said, it's going to bridge our gap between the industry and academics, so that's going to be very helpful.
There's a problem actually
In our curriculum.
in our Pune University. We don't get time. We don't get enough time to do our internships and all.
Yeah,
So this
apply our
is
knowledge.
yes.
In fact, the most exciting part would be the programming exercises that we are going to get based on the electronics and the programming stuff that we have to do it together. Like we haven't done that in a while. We have never done like entirely networking plus software together. That is actually a practical thing that we have to do.
And we'll also get an opportunity to learn about Avaya products.
Right.
That is the best thing which is for us for the first time in our college.
And I think even as engineers, like especially again I'm going to talk about the mobile part, we actually knowing how it works, I think is very important. Otherwise, I feel that in engineering we should at least know that. But still today I didn't know actually how when
We
you
had
make
a
a call.
theoretical approach.
Exactly.
Always. We had networking in our previous years also, but we always had a theoretical approach. We didn't know the implementation parts. So through this, we will learn a lot of things, new things, and we thank Avaya team to come up. They had collaboration with our companies, and with this, we
Yeah, no, I think in career opportunities wise, I think the subject in itself is unified communication. So that's just integrating all sorts of communications. And that's very upcoming today. So I think in any job prospect, it's going to help us, irrespective. Because that's what's the trend right now. And it's going to just increase.
I think once we join our respective domains, like the jobs that we have got, this entire thing is going to help us in a way that I think we'll be better professionals over there. So, hello everyone, I'm Amani Kelkar. I'm a fourth year engineering student pursuing information technology in Cummins College. I've taken Avaya as the elective. There are two reasons behind it. First of all, the electives present are having either networking or software. None of them is having both of them together as an elective. And the other thing is the practical approach that Avaya is going to provide us with. Now, in the 3 years of our college life, we have never been in the environment of implementing whatever we have learned. So for this time, we are getting an opportunity to present it, to learn it. So I think if we get a good opportunity from a great firm like Avaya, we should grab it.
thank you.
My name is Mansi Khanuja and I'm from Cummins College. So what I would tell my friends from other colleges is that especially being a part of this university, as such in our curriculum we don't get a chance to go and do internships, as a result of which we don't have a really good industry experience or exposure or a chance to interact with industry personnel as such. So getting choosing this elective gives a great opportunity to learn everything from the industry point of view, which will make us better prepared to go into the industry and work there. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Arshi Kaul, pursuing my IT engineering in my final year. I just had a brief lecture from the Avaya faculty members. We had it started with the analog telephony and we covered digital basics telephony also. We studied a lot about mobile networks, how it works, the backend system. We had a brief discussion about the base stations and how when you connect a call, how actually it works behind the infrastructure and all. So we are just started with this. Further, we'll be exploring more on mobile networks and technologies.
So that's all. It was a very interesting lecture just we attended. So I hope to have it too. Thank you.
We are here today to launch the Avaya curriculum at one of the very reputed institutes, which is Cummins College of Engineering, exclusively for women. Extremely proud and excited on this launch day. This is part of our overall Avaya University outreach program. And some of the key objectives obviously are evangelizing brand Avaya at the marketplace, staying in line with the overall digitalization efforts that our country is looking forward to, and more importantly, the entire innovation efforts that Avaya is focusing for the future. So absolutely proud, absolutely excited, seeing a lot of buzz around out here. Students are very happy. Fantastic efforts by the entire team, Team Avaya, and looking forward for a very, very successful and innovative future. Thank you.